In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to adjust the belt on the Opti Non-Motorised Folding Treadmill. When using the treadmill for the first time, you may find that the belt moves to one side when in use. The belt may also loosen over time and need adjusting. If you are finding that the belt runs to the right of the treadmill, use the supplied Allen key and turn it half a turn on the right side of the treadmill. If it is still running to the right, carefully keep adjusting until it runs in the center. If you have fully tightened the right side and it's still going to the right, adjust the left side with the supplied Allen key. It may take a few goes at loosening and tightening each side before it runs in the center. Your Opti treadmill is now ready to use.